Hi everyone, my name is Ryan. I work for Cordoba Guitars. Welcome to the Cordoba Guitar booth at Summer NAMM 2019. We have a new product that I wanted to show everyone that we're pretty excited about. This is our new C5 CET thin line with spalted maple on the back and sides. The regular version of this is already out. It uses a cedar top with mahogany back and sides, and for the summer show we spruced it up a little bit with the spalted maple back and side. The beautiful instrument, proven platform. We're really excited about this guitar. It's $449 MAP price point, so super accessible to a lot of people. And one of the things that we've been noticing, let me turn this back so you guys can see how beautiful that guitar is. One of the things that we've been noticing a lot as far as trends go for the industry is a lot of people are looking for things that are kind of custom and unique, but at the same time very familiar and on a proven platform. And this guitar is a great representation of that. It's a guitar that we know is super popular, has done really well in its own right, but when we add some special sets of woods and tweak a few of the feature sets, it just makes it feel like a unique and special instrument. And that's really what it embodies. Like I said, $449 MAP price point. Go to CordobaGuitars.com to find out more information about it and locate the closest dealer near you.